We got a family match coming up, so we got some guys we're playing with that put us in diapers, and we're gonna put the boots to them. So we're putting in the work right now, fixing our swing with a pro at the driving range.
Hey guys.
What's up, man?
Sean Dady.
Nice
Sean,
to meet you.
Thanks for the help, man.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
You got your work cut out today. with,
I don't
with
know
Matt.
about that.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
All right, balance.
Yep.
Two things will help that. Get your feet closer together. Less knee flex.
I can't even beat this tee though. That's the problem.
Oof. A little better.
There you go.
Yeah, I did lean, I did feel it.
Still back. You love to fall back.
But you know what?
Pose like you can do a bat flip, dude.
What about power?
Power. When you swing a driver, you should never feel strong, because it's
Then you're set. You're good.
You want speed.
Yep.
Know the difference? Like with strength or hitting the golf ball or hard, we tend to flex our muscles, strength, and we don't release the club.
Yep.
Right.
Right. So we want more speed. So it's more of a
Like an easy.
right. This.
Yep.
And you need to feel that as well. So now where's your weight? Left leg?
Left leg.
That's right
Left
leg,
And your hand, both arms are extended. So then as you continue the finish, continue to swing, there you go. Now you're posted on your right foot, posted on your left foot, facing the target, as opposed to
This.
this.
It feels a lot better.
It does. So what's my main takeaway?
So the main thing for you watching you, again, pretty athletic, obviously baseball.
Let's just stop there.
Baseball's still ingrained. We got to learn. You got to learn how to get off your right side.
Yeah.
That would be the biggest help. And part of that would be that setup that we talked about, getting your feet a little closer together.
What about this guy?
You're a hybrid. Kind of the same thing. A lot of strength.
Minus
can
the
hit
athleticism.
it, right? We just got to, again, a little more turn through the ball.
Yeah.
Same thing we talked about, strength versus speed.
Yep.
I think you're a little too strong in your forearms as you come through.
Just in your
to hit the ball,
forearms.
right? Right. We have to have a little more of a little more rotation.
Yep.
A little more what I would say speed through the bottom.
Sure.
Or through the ball as opposed to striking and hitting.
Yep.
It's almost like you stop after you make contact.
Yeah, yeah.
Where we want to create that
More
swing
fluid motion.
all the way through. Right.
Love it.
Yep. Yep.
Man, listen, you've been super helpful.
My pleasure. It's been a blast.
Yeah, it has been. Yo, welcome to Spatchcock Nation, y'all. Once you're in till death, baby, and we love you to death for being on here. We throw killer parties, massive events. We're about bringing people together, showing the love through food, drinking, partying. Spatchcock Funk. Dope food, strong drinks, great stories.